So tell me what you feel when you feel the spikes.
Well, it creeps up really fast. All of a sudden, it just hits you. And like I've experienced anxiety and panic attacks before, and it's not the same. It's very different.
Mm-hmm.
I can control those, and I can get out of them in about 10 minutes. But with this, it lasts hours, and even sometimes the next day. And it's a different feeling. It almost feels like you're sick, like you have cancer or something, or you have diabetes, or you're about to, like pass out and die. Like it's totally different. Like I'm feeling the symptoms instead of it just being mental symptoms, like swollen fingers, dry mouth. I went to see my doctor because I was experiencing a really bad earache, and that was right around that time as well, which was unexplainable.
What did your doctor say?
He just said it could be allergies.
Wow, allergies doing all that.
And I couldn't figure it out because I thought I had like a blown eardrum or something.
Wow.
Because it was really ringing.
So the anxiety comes and lasts, but nothing, you didn't get bad news, right? Like an eviction notice or a tax audit or...
No, nothing like that. I honestly didn't have any anxiety until it hit me the first time, because I was at probably the best point in my life, feeling really good and energized, and business was good. And then it kind of hit me, and then now I've just been really scared of it, because whenever it comes on, I can barely function. Like I literally can't even hold a machine in my hand. Functioning problems. Like, I feel like sort of my motor skills have been like taken away from me. Like I walk slow, and I feel like I'm going to tip over, and I'm not strong.
And this never happened before?
Never happened before.
Wow, that's crazy. So the anxiety, nothing triggered it, kind of?
Anxiety, yeah. Well, anxiety for me is like you feel like you're going to die or something. Like you feel really panicked really quick. But like I said, I've experienced anxiety for the last 5 years, and this is really different than anxiety, because I know what anxiety feels like. I've experienced it, and I'm having physical symptoms, which is different than anxiety, which is more so just like mental symptoms. And it's no matter how much water I drink in a day, I can't get hydrated, it feels like. I feel swollen, and I feel weak and tired. And when those spikes hit, it feels like your mind is taken over and you have no control of it. Like you're about to pass out, and you got to get out of the space, because your body's telling you, like, get out of here because there's something weird going on here.
And so when you get away from here, does it go away?
No, and that's the weird thing, is it typically
stays with you?
Stays with me, and sometimes till the next day, like, I'll be laying in bed and I'll just be shaking. I'll be like, why am I shaking? Like, what's going on? Whereas, like, with anxiety, typically my panic attacks will last maybe 5-10 minutes, and then they'll be gone, and I'll be calm, and I can go back to my regular life. But this almost feels like some sort of, like, it's causing some sort of, like, I don't know, like, the best way to put it would be like poisoning almost. It feels very toxic, and that's why I'm concerned, and I wanted to look more into it.
And how close are we to the downtown core?
We're right in the middle.
Right, we're in it, right?
We're right in the middle of it, and that's what concerns me the most.
Because it's never happened before.
No, like June 6th was the very first time it hit me, and then it's been coming and going since then.
Wow.